Welcome to NaxToCell. In this video we will introduce NaxToCell and show you a first example of how to use NaxToCell within Microsoft Excel. NaxToCell extracts information from the Finite Element Analysis results files directly to Excel cells, without the need to open any other postprocessor, easy and seamlessly. After downloading and installing NaxTo on your computer, NaxToCell will be installed, and can be used as an add-in inside Excel. By clicking on Insert Function icon, a new category of functions called NaxToCell will appear followed by its corresponding version, in this case NaxToCell 2022R0. Now you will have available a series of functions to access the information inside the binary files output of NASTRAN, ABAQUS, ANSYS and OptiStruct. NaxToCell supports NASTRAN Opus 2, XDB and HDF5, ABAQUS ODB, ANSYS RST and OptiStruct Op2. The information that can be extracted includes information about elements, nodes, coordinate systems, components, freebodies, increments, parts, results, sections, load cases, and of course, the results in elements and nodes. NaxTo also includes some useful functions like envelope, to calculate an envelope of a table of points, values, considering each row as a point in the envelope, or plot contour, to plot back to 3D model derived results of your post-processing you can create. All NaxToCell functions work exactly the same way and with the same philosophy as other Excel functions work. They use some arguments inside to select the desired information, and NaxToCell return a matrix of values. Therefore, we must work in the same way in which we work in Excel with matrices. Let's see how simple it is to extract the information, for example of the elements. To do this we simply choose the function N2CElements. We mark the path where the file is, and if necessary, the ID list we want and to which super element they belong to. We press OK and automatically appears the information of the elements. Here ends the brief introduction to NaxToCell. We hope it has been of help and we wait for you in the following videos.